AI and supply chain, three ways it transforms resilience and efficiency. If you're in supply chain, and you're likely no stranger to chaos, one minor delay can snowball into a month-long nightmare: raw material shortages, unpredictable demand shifts, freight costs that make you want to cry. And here's the kicker: most companies have no idea how to fix it. They've tried every hack in the book, but the results, same old issues. Maybe you're on the fence about whether AI can truly make a difference here. Trust me, I get it. I've been in tech for over 50 years, and I've seen the industry jump on more buzzwords than I can count. But AI is different. AI's role in supply chain management is nothing short of revolutionary. I saw it firsthand when I designed software that helped build massive construction projects like the Fresno Dam and the John Wayne Airport. Back then, we relied on everything from gut instinct to manual calculations for supply chain decisions. Today, AI is completely rewriting that process. Here's how AI is transforming supply chain resilience and efficiency, and why it's a game changer. First, real-time demand forecasting. AI doesn't guess, it knows. It analyzes vast data sets to predict demand trends with uncanny accuracy. Think of it as your crystal ball, one that can minimize inventory costs, reduce overstock, and keep things moving smoothly, even when demand shifts unexpectedly. Inventory optimization. AI helps you strike the perfect balance between excess and shortage. By analyzing factors like seasonal trends, customer behavior, and even weather, AI ensures you're never over or understocked. Imagine the resources saved when you can avoid both the cost of storing unused goods and the scramble of last-minute shortages. Route and logistics planning. AI optimizes delivery routes, predicting and accounting for everything from traffic to weather disruptions. It cuts down on delivery times and fuel costs, and even reduces your carbon footprint. If you're managing a complex supply chain, this is a lifeline. When I led an international team in developing the first fully autonomous robotic machine control system, we were creating technology that adapted to any condition, a concept very similar to what AI does for modern supply chains. It's about being proactive instead of reactive. You're not alone. The best companies are adopting AI in supply chains. I've worked with giants like Microsoft, Apple, and Delta Technologies around the world. They all turn to AI-driven supply chains, and here's why. It's not about following a trend. It's about staying competitive and cutting unnecessary losses. In one project, I helped streamline processes for a massive PR firm with brands all over the globe. They reduced turnaround time and kept supply chains nimble across 8 brands, an impossible task. In today's landscape, AI isn't a luxury, it's essential. If your supply chain isn't backed by the latest tech, you're leaving efficiency and resilience on the table. If you're dealing with supply chain headaches, you have two choices. Keep trying to patch things up with old systems, or finally make the leap to AI-powered solutions. Real-time demand forecasting, optimized inventory, smart logistics planning. AI can make these happen, and if you're ready to future-proof your operations, I'm here to help. Curious if AI can solve your supply chain problems? Let's talk. Visit igloodigitalmarketing.com to book a free audit call. You'll be surprised by what AI can unlock for your business.